In front of me is Xiaomi 17 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, you need to open any app you want to use in this view and launch it in the background like that. Then hold it and wait for all of those icons to show. When they do, click on the one with the rectangles below the padlock. Click on the second app also from the background or tap on Home button and tap on any other one you wanna use. As you can see, after a few seconds, I can operate both at once. If you wanna go back from this view, you can either go back to the background and swipe split screen like you would any other app, or you can hold this line. Thanks to it, you can not only resize your apps however you want to, but also by dragging it all the way up or all the way down, you can close split screen and tap on Home button to close the remaining app when you don't need it anymore. But what most people miss is that you can actually click on those three dots at the top of both apps. Thanks to this icon here, you can close the chosen app and then pick another one to use in split screen. Thanks to this one, you can switch chosen app to floating window. And if you change your mind, click on those three dots again to select one of those split screen ones. To switch places of your apps, tap on one of those split screen icons now. And last but not least, to pick one of your apps and use it in full screen view, click on this icon on the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!